This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Chiplanders. Your own private heated and screened pool. Southern Classic Custom 3-bed/2-bath/2-car garage and 1,795 square feet of living. Gas cooking, water heater and pool heat. 8 feet doors and chair rail. New luxe vinyl floors, quartz countertops, 2015 air conditioner unit. Low HOA fees include lawn maintenance. Golf and social memberships avail. For more information, review the details below.